Hello there, everyone. It's me. Oh, come on. Please be quiet. Hello everyone. Sorry about that. Welcome back to another video, and welcome back to Isaac's Lovely Trains. So today I'm doing another train chasing. So let's get started. Also, my friend is joining me. So yeah, let's go. Also, I hope you have a nice day. Let's see. Oh, we have a Benton service. Oh, there's a train with us. Yep, good. So let's see. Right. See. Let's wait. Let's wait for the next train. Alright, there you go. Alright. So yeah, we'll just go wait here. We got some this corner feels weird. Like this is empty and dark. Yeah. So let's see if we got any cool train. Where's the schedule going?
Express service to
Let's see.
49. Stepford
Let's
Express.
see.
Service to
Ooh, a
Stepford
Voyager.
Central via Benton. Calling at Benton, St Helens Bridge, and Stepford Central. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the rear.
It's a Voyager. Alright, let's go on. Let's do this.
Platform 2.
Let's go on this
This
way.
is
16.
Leighton
02,
Stepford Road.
Stepford Express.
This train is
Let's
for
sit down for
Stepford Central.
Take the seat.
The next station will be
Oh,
Benton.
great. Isaac.
And Lynn by the Sea. This train is formed of 10 coaches. First class.
So yeah, there's a DS. Do I disrupt here? Nah, it's fine.
The train now approaching platform 3 does not stop here. Please
Yeah, it's fine,
stand
woman.
on the platform edge.
So time for some train chasing. I like these two trains. They look nice today. But yeah. So who's
Come on
gonna be
board
train
this
chasing?
Stepford Express service to Stepford Central. The next station
It's fine.
will be Benton.
Yeah, it's fine. I can still. Yeah, he is a big person. Look at his wings. Super. Yeah, the people behind him. Oh, I feel like he's speeding. I think he's speeding. Oh my gosh, I think he's speeding. That's a little bit too fast. So yeah, this is pretty nice. Oh, we're passing Walter Newton.
For the 16.
Now he's at top speed. And we have Doge's deliveries. We deliver absolutely nothing. Oh, I'm lagging. Yeah, so he's at his limit right now. So yeah, that's lovely. Oh yeah, here's the abandoned tracks. I really wish they would be oh, 397, that's lovely. Lovely. 397. We could have taken that. We could have done that, but whatever. I'm gonna do all the operators first. Look at how nice this looks. Like, look at this view. It looks so nice. Oh, you can see the wings. Just imagine riding a train. You're sitting next to this. Like, I know, yeah, he's a good guy, obviously. But imagine, I'm just like, I need to work up. Yeah, just imagine that. A fish bowl? A fish? A fishy bowl? Okay. It was good. He's still speeding. I thought the limit here is like 75. And we're passing the airlink area. Yeah. He's speeding. Oh, here comes the bridge. He's supposed to be going like how much right now? hopefully. He's supposed to be going 45 soon though. Oh, my map's not loading even. I didn't see. Oh, yeah, it's hot. Shall we get?
We will shortly be arriving at Benton. Change here for train
Big
to
advert.
Chesterfield, Farley, Greenslade, Morganstown, Newry, Port Benton, and
Let's see if we should get
Airport
off.
Terminal 2. Please mind the gap between the train and the
Righty,
platform.
let's see. So it was nice riding this 221. I like train chasing, to be honest. So let's get off.
This is
Lovely.
Benton.
So let's see.
This train is for Stepford Central.
Let's wave this train goodbye,
The
actually.
next station will be St Helens
He
Bridge.
does.
Your attention, please.
Oh, it's a
The
221.
1626
He's a QD though.
Stepford Connect service to
Let's just do
St
this.
Helens Bridge has
Oh,
been
free express has.
cancelled.
Oh, wow, lovely.
This is due to
Bye,
a
team.
member of
Bye.
the train crew being
Bye,
unavailable.
bye, Voyager. So we're at Benton again from last episode. See ya. Alrighty, let's see. Anyways, let's see what's upstairs. Let's see. I remember I was here before. Let's see if we get any good trains, like any rare ones. So we've got Benton, Lynn, Benton, Farley, Edgemere, Terminal 2. We got some rare destinations, honestly. How do you spell? Destinations. No, there's even a Greenslade one. Yo, that's some nice ones. That's like Farley. There's Farley in like 5 minutes. Yeah, Farley too. Farley would be a nice one. We've got Greenslade. Oh, come on, stop flipping. I hate this. I really had to do. Page. There are 2 pages of this. Where's page 1? Whatever's. There's even a
Platform 12 for the 1610 Stepford Connect
Oh.
service
Oh, I do
to
so
Stepford
nice.
Victoria. Calling at Coxley, Bowden, St Helens Bridge, Stepford East, Stepford Central, City Hospital,
Pass.
Financial Quarter, and Stepford
Oh, so
Victoria.
that's. Oh, we should ride this one.
This train is formed of 4 coaches.
We should ride it. We should. Oh, hello. We should ride it.
Your
We
attention,
definitely
please.
should ride this one.
The 16,
This is
16
Benton.
Waterline
This
service
train is
to
for Stepford
Greenslade
Victoria.
has been cancelled.
The next station
This is due
Hello,
to
train
a member
crew.
of the train crew being unavailable.
Yeah, I don't know him, so I'm probably not gonna friend him. But oh, maybe it's him.
Platform
oh no,
11
yeah.
for the 16, 11 Stepford
This
Express
is a lovely train,
service
honestly.
to Stepford
I thought it would
Central.
be a 357.
Calling at St Helens Bridge and Stepford Central. This train is formed of 5
Let's
coaches.
see who.
First class is located
Yeah.
at the rear
Look
of
at
the train.
This is what train
Welcome
chase
on
about.
board
It's just
Stepford
chasing the
Connect
coolest
service
trains.
to
Like
Stepford
the free train
Victoria.
looks so nice now. Look.
We will be calling at Coxley, Bowden,
Look.
St Helens Bridge,
There. 3, 2, 1.
Stepford East,
How do you spell?
Stepford Central, City Hospital, Financial Quarter, and Stepford Victoria. The
Oh, it's a
next
390
station
pin
is
though.
Coxley.
Lovely. We could do. Let's have a look. But look at. Oh, I'm lagging. Great. Look at it from this perspective. Look at it. Looks so nice. So let's see. So we're going to. Oh, look at the displays. That looks lovely. Hello, dude. Oh, so we're passing West Bend. So honestly, this mesh model is amazing. Well done, devs. Why is there such a? It feels like this tiny gap. There's just a tiny gap there. Electric station, that's nice.
We will shortly be arriving at Coxley.
Yeah, this
Please
dude
mind the gap
is
between
lovely.
the train and the platform.
Yeah, but wait for it. Okay. Yeah.
Calling
I
out
think this could be the thumbnail.
Loading.
I'll just
St
take
Helens
a
Bridge,
snapshot here.
Stepford East,
Sorry about
Stepford
flashbanging
Central,
you.
City Hospital,
So this is
Financial
lovely.
Quarter,
I'm just gonna wave to
and
him.
Stepford Victoria.
I think
This train is
the thing
formed
is
of
sort
4
stop
coaches.
markers. But he's probably a TD. Oh my gosh, he does probably, hopefully. That's nice. I'll just wave to him. How did it get?
Coxley.
Right, let's
This
do a
train
nice
is
wave.
for Stepford
Hello.
Victoria.
Right, let's get back on
The
now.
next station is
I love
Bowden.
I love when people hold me when I emote at them. It's just lovely. Yeah.
Your
I'll just-
attention, please. The 16,
So let's go.
20, Stepford Connect, Service 2,
This seriously
Airport Terminal 2,
looks so
has
lovely.
been cancelled.
I'm not
This is
joking.
due to a member
No,
of the
I
train
keep on
crew
saying this
being
because it is.
unavailable.
Anyways, we have Coxley sidings, a pretty nice one.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Stepford
Why do people?
Victoria.
Oh
The
no,
next
I
station
forgot something.
is
Oh.
Bowden.
Oh, and here's yes. And we'll just pass yes. Coxley Newton, thank you, friend. I don't. Yeah, thank you, Queen. That's his display name, by the way. So yeah, all these apartment buildings look nice. Oh, a 397.
We will shortly be arriving
Another
at
397.
Bowden. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Honestly, I feel like
Stepford Connect, Service 2, Stepford Victoria,
there is a
calling
slight
out
strip.
St Helens Bridge.
So this is, I get it. Oh yeah, great driving. He's doing some great driving, I think. He's doing some great driving. Look at this tiny gap in the, yeah. Anyways, if you have seen, so there's also a new sneak peek out on, well, that was out on, recently. So basically, yeah, and I'm not got, another dusty bin, another one, another dusty bin. I'm gonna take my screenshot. Another dusty bin. Another one. That's insane, honestly. Yeah, I really wish there was a double frame of this. It would be nice, but I think platforms are too short for that on Connect. So yeah, I'm surprised. I can't believe it.
We will shortly be arriving at St Helens Bridge. Change here for Silver
I'm 720. Oh, that's my favorite.
and Willowfield. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
My favorite. Yay. Yes. Yeah, 720 is one of my favorites. Yay.
And
Ooh, a dispatcher.
Stepford Victoria. This train is
Thank you,
formed
then.
of 4 coaches.
Let's try to wave to him, but why do I keep on lagging, Good driving, mate. Good driving. Righty.
This is St Helens Bridge.
Hello, sir.
This train is for
Let's get back on
Stepford
now.
Victoria. The next station
So, yeah.
is Stepford East.
So yeah, this is nice. This honestly feels like a train that went on the Victoria branch. Oh, that's a DS2. Perfect. So let's do Raid the Dispatching. Let's play. Raid the Dispatch. So he whistles. Good. The signal's green. Let's see if he takes time to check the interlocks. Good. Yay, he passed. Well done to that guy. Well done. Agreed. So now we're coming to the Stepford City area.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect
I honestly feel like it needs something like
Stepford Victoria.
casino update.
The next station is Stepford East.
Scenery. Up. Great, there you go. And there's Stepford High Street over there with a big... Wait a second, why is that room red? Wait a second. Metro. Oh. That should not be happening. I should not be showing people's names. I should not. I'm gonna leak in one of my friends. Yeah, agreed. Agreed, honestly. And here's the double
We will
387.
shortly be arriving at
Stuff there.
Stepford East.
Yeah, in this underground
Change
area,
here for the service
definitely
to
for
Beach.
what's it called?
Stepford UFC.
Metro. This could be lovely.
And
I
Whitefield.
imagine having
19.
platform share.
Stepford Connect.
So like
Service to
and the platform.
Stepford Victoria.
So yeah,
Calling at Stepford
I'm
Central.
just gonna keep
City
on rambling at
Hospital.
this point. And there's
Financial
two
Quarter.
towers.
And
The TV
Stepford
tower
Victoria.
should not be making
This
those
train is formed
references.
of 4 coaches.
I should not be doing that. Anyways,
Platform 1.
Perfect
for the
stop.
16, 19.
Okay, I'm gonna say
Stepford
this,
Connect.
I'm waiting
Service
for-
This
to
is
Morganstown.
Stepford East.
Calling
oh,
at
Morgantown surface.
St
Lovely.
Helens Bridge.
Stepford
Ellesmere
Victoria.
Junction. Berrily.
The next
East
station
Berrily.
is
Oh, and again.
Stepford
Park.
Central.
And
Lovely.
Morganstown.
Let's see what the Morgantown
This
train
train is
is.
formed of 4 coaches.
What if it's imagine if it's another 321? Oh, an
Your attention,
802.
please. The 16,
802.
Stepford
This is
Connect.
amazing
Service
train.
to Morganstown has been cancelled.
Oh, great. Got,
This is
that one
due
got
to
cancelled.
a member of the train crew being
Yeah.
unavailable.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect
Agreed.
service to Stepford Victoria. The next
Yeah,
station
I think-
is Stepford Central.
What? Oh, come on. Oh, come on. I think. So we've ridden a lot of trains, we've seen a lot of trains, and I think we should end it here. It's been lovely filming this. I wish you have a lovely rest of your day, and goodbye.